Would you like to own a freehold landed property which is conveniently located and may last for generations to come? Hi, my name is Celia Chong from Orange Sea & Thai, AAG Divisions. Come, let me show you a beautiful gem that you and your family will love. Sitting on a land size of 2203 square feet with generous built-up space of 2004 square feet, this perfect home is designed with a clean line, minimalist look that gives you an enormous living space along with an equally huge kitchen and dining area. From the white living room, the kitchen is demarcated with a 20 foot of length black kitchen cabinets fitted with cutting-edge appliances for all your cooking and dining pleasure. In part of the A&A works in year 2015, this kitchen was extended to create the perfect layout for social gatherings among friends and family. If you enjoy cooking for friends and family, you will love this stylish yet functional island kitchen. This house is thoughtfully designed to include a helper's room as well as a grandparents' room on the ground floor. On the second floor, you have the master bedroom, which is your absolute sanctuary, a getaway from the hustle and bustle of modern city life. It fits a designer-made Australian king-size bed for the extra comfort, complete with nightstands and a customized full-size wardrobe and dresser. You have two common rooms for your children and study area. All the bedrooms are decked in golden parquet flooring for the warm and cozy ambience. This beautiful house was also extended for a playroom for your young kids, which can double up as a fifth bedroom or family lounge. The room is superbly renovated with premium tiles that gives a natural finish. Located close to Tanah Merah MRT, East Village, Bedok Marketplace and minutes drive to Changi Airport, Changi Business Park and CBD, this landed home is conveniently located for all your daily needs. This beautiful home is perfect for your growing family. If you are looking for a freehold landed property which is conveniently located and may last for generations, call me Celia Chong. I have the perfect home for you.